Hey, what's happening, Shib Army? Welcome back to the channel. This is something that we need to address. It's PAWSWAP, and it's being built on Shibarium. So they mention here a decentralized exchange to be built on Shibarium, a shift to decentralization for the people. PAW is tradable on ShibaSwap.com. Now, this particular token is not an official Shiba Inu token. It's being built by somebody on the outside, right? But it's being built for Shibarium. Let me take you to this tweet, and I want to show you a little bit more about the project too, and kind of talk about how this could be something that could benefit the Shib Army in the future. But we don't know for sure just yet, right? But I can confirm that this is not an official Shib token, and can also confirm that Satoshi Kusama is not behind the project. I think this is important to note. And, there's going to be a day where we're going to have to parse out, okay, what is an official token? What is just being built by an outsider? And I think this is the starting phases, because a lot of people are going to be wanting to build on top of Shibarium, which is awesome, right? But I think we need to know as investors who is behind it, right? So I hope a lot of these projects, they do fully get in contact with somebody from the dev team and say, hey, this is what we're doing. This is what we're trying to build. Obviously, they don't have to do that. But from my standpoint, I think it's my service to dig into this and find out for us as investors. And that's what I've done here. So there's been a lot of noise surrounding this over the last couple of days. Congrats to anyone making money on this. And this is when I tweeted it on February 26th. It was at that 3.8 level. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Right now, it's sitting at 7 zeros, 4, 5. And look at the chart for PAWSWAP. I mean, this thing has went crazy, and the volume is at 3.24 million in the last 24 hours. Holders now over 5,000. And if we pull up CoinMarketCap, we can actually see this a little bit better here. If we go to PAWSWAP, there we go, right there. Yeah, there you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 4, 6, 7, up 74% in the last 24 hours. Now, we always mention this. Do not just chase the green. I mean, this thing has continue to steadily rise. We had the big dip here down to the 219 level back yesterday, actually, and this thing has exploded here today. So I felt the need that, it's important to make this video and talk about PAWSWAP. Now, they say it's the Shibarium DEX swap, a shift to decentralization for the people. So PAWSWAP is developed and inspired with the mantra of decentralization at its core. Inspired by Shiba Inu's success, the PAW team strives to bring the same quality of success from Shiba Inu to PAWSWAP. PAW will serve as the gateway to PAWSWAP, with this website acting as the portal for entry. With the end goal in mind, PAW strives to create and transform the decentralized space through community-driven innovation. We pride ourselves in the ability to provide safety and compliance to anyone investing and trusting in our team and our products. One quad total supply. There's no tax. And you can kind of read more about their vision here. It's to create a DEX that empowers individuals to take control of their financial future and provide a safe and user-friendly platform for trading cryptos. We believe decentralization can level the playing field and give everyone the opportunity to participate in the digital economy without a central authority in command. Our goal is to create a platform that's community-driven, transparent, and accessible to all, built on the principles of security, autonomy, and freedom of choice. We believe in the power of decentralization to democratize finance and provide equal access to opportunities for all. Now, they've got a brand new medium out here too, prepare for launch. And they talk about how they just exceeded 4,000 holders, now over 5,000. They've been listed on the following exchanges already: Gate.io, XT, LBank, BitGet, and Bitcon. Consistent voluntary community burns. For this, we thank the community tremendously. And there's an open letter here talking about their future and where they're going. They've got a Discord, Telegram, Medium, and Twitter. But this is important because there's going to be a lot of these projects that come in and build on top of Shibarium. This is one of the hottest ones, the hottest one right now. Felt the need to make this video, put this information out there for you. And I heard a lot of people in the comments, Zach, you got to make a video about PAWSWAP. What's going on? What is this? What's happening? And this is why I made this video. So again, want to make this very clear. This is coming directly from Satoshi himself. I asked him the question. I said, are you behind PAWSWAP or anybody on the Shib dev team? Because I think it's important to parse this out, right? Again, I just mentioned this, and I can confirm, no, he's not. He told me directly that he's not. But he said, hey, this is something that's being built for Shibarium, and we're going to have a lot of these type of projects, being built on top of Shibarium that aren't going to be necessarily official Shiba Inu tokens. And that's okay because it brings more eyeballs into the SHIB ecosystem, right? It all funnels back to SHIB. And for that, I think we can all be excited. So congratulations to anybody out there who got into early into PAWSWAP, because, man, you've made a killing. And that's what it's all about. We're all trying to change our lives. So I wanted to make this video for you guys, and appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.